Welcome back to Mini Bikes and More. I wanted to show you a quick little upgrade. If you want to add a brake light or brake lights to your mini bike, a quick and easy way to do it. The first thing you're going to need is on your brake switch. You're going to need the little switch right here. You can get these off Amazon pretty cheap, pack of 6, or individually, right and a left. You do want to make sure you get a right and a left. The screw is something I'm not sure the size. It probably won't come with the little switch, but it's something you can get at your local hardware pretty easy. I got this wired up, so let me show you how this is all wired. You literally have 2 wires that run off your switch. Come back here, and you're gonna figure out which kind of light you want. This is just a little LED light, and I actually have a little battery connector, which is for a 9-volt. Excuse me. You could use a 12-volt DeWalt, Milwaukee, something like that. You can get those adapters off of Amazon as well. The hookup on this is so simple. One side will go to the power from the switch to the power of the battery. This side's going to go to the switch to the power of the LED, and you connect the ground. And then you just hit the brake and it comes on. You could hook this up separately. You could actually still run off the same power source, just hook up another switch, and then you could change it to where you have a blinker if you wanted, just by pressing it, or hold them both for the brake lights. Like I said, it's real simple, real easy little deal. It's just something I came up with, and I thought would be useful if you're riding around your streets in your neighborhood or wherever, and it's something that could definitely help. Please like and subscribe.